Hi, want to know how to use Equalizer on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5? So the first step is that we will need to download the Xiaomi earbuds application on your phone. Then after you will open it, you would need to connect your earbuds to this application. And now let's move on to the Equalizer by itself. So we can find an Equalizer in the tab which is named Audio Effects. And here the audio balance, by clicking on it, here we can see three options, which is enhanced treble, bass, and voice. So if we are talking about the bass, this is mostly low frequencies which are responsible for the lower sounds in the songs. The voice is kind of understandable. This will enhance the vocals and you'll be able to enjoy the vocals at 100%. And treble is mostly used for more instrumental songs like jazz or any similar genres of music. So which one to choose is only on you. You can always just choose one and then listen a few of your favorite songs to find out what's the difference. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.